everyone, welcome to StarTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a Gmail account. It's important to know the importance of a Gmail account. So everyone should have a Gmail account in order to do a business online and in order to earn active and passive money online, also in order to communicate through electronic mail with relatives and so any others based on our interest. So everyone must first have to a Gmail or Google account. So today I'm going to a step-by-step guide how to create the Gmail. So let's first go to Google and type Gmail. You see, this is the first page that Google displays for you in order to create a Gmail account. So everyone first try to click on the sign in button. So from the beginning, and everyone who want to say create an account and click on this button. At this time, the Google displays four options for what reasons you want to create this Gmail account. So for yourself, for personal use, and for your child, son or daughters in order to access Gmail and other Google features, and also to manage your business. So first I will show you for myself. On this, after that, the Google displays or need to enter your personal data. So let's enter our data. Your father name. So at this time you need to create your email. It's better to remember it. So everyone must creates easy and rememberable, unforgettable email address. So for this reason, I want to use my name and my father name, and I want to enter a date or a year. I want to set like this. I think it's already taken by Google, and he will give me by default free email accounts. So I'm choosing this one. So next that we need to enter our password. So everyone should to enter a password that easily rememberable. Let's confirm it again. So next, after filling the password and the personal data, we must click the next button. So after that, Google needs to verify our phone number, need to enter our recovery email address, and also need to our personal birthday and our gender. So we need to enter our personal information and birthday information. So let's choose our gender. After that, you can click on the next button. Before that, you must enter it if you want to use this Gmail address for purposeful, for to earn money, to contact persons, and also for formal thing. You must enter the phone number and the recovery email address. So for this video, I want to show only the steps to create the Google accounts or Gmail accounts. That's why I'm leaving alone and not filled it. So I want to proceed on the next button. After that, the Google displays the policy, term and agreement. So at the bottom of the page, you get the button that you must to agree with the terms. So you must click on the terms and you must be agree. After that, the Google's have already created and confirmed you are already created the Google accounts. So in the Google account, you will get a feature of search engines, maps, Play Stores, Gmails, contacts, drives, calendars, demo, photo, Chrome, and translate features. For the today, due to security, Google have issued two-step verification, so you must count me in and verify these two-step verifications. So let's click on the count me in. After that, Google needs two-step verification, and you must also click on the get start button. So for the first verification, you must enter your password and login again. This is the first verification, and the second one, you must verify your phone number. So you must put your number here, and you must get the texts via your phone number from the Google, and and you must click the next button. So for this case, I will return back and I will show you the Gmail feature, but for the security reason, you must be and everyone must verify the phone. So for the best reason, and for this video, I will show how to create a Gmail. So already you have your Google account, and you go to Gmail. Now we have our Gmail account, and you can use and send a message to the person that you need to send, and you can use for our personal and business gain. So to send a message, you must create a message first. So on the top of the screen, you see the cursor, and click on the compose button. So you can say enter the name or if it's already disabled, you must enter the name, and by default the Gmail bring the email address. Unless and otherwise, you must enter the email address you had a person or the business you want to send the message. So on this on two button, you must enter the email address. If you want to copy someone, you can also enter CC, and if you want to blind copy and do not want to see any other persons on this email, and but want to send for separately, you must enter on BCC, and also you must enter the subject of the email and type your message here as body, and your signature must also include and must be. After that, and finishing your preparation for email, you can click the send button. So for today, this is the way to create a Gmail is that, and want to show you for the beginners. And don't forget to like and subscribe our videos. For the next coming, we'll come and show different tutorials that will be helpful for your personal gain. Thank you very much.